How do the thinking maps fit in with all of this? They provide a visual, spatial means for really capturing those patterns and engaging students at the most fundamental levels of cognition.
A teacher might begin by asking, what do you know about apples? Students would use a circle map to identify and define an apple in different contexts, really brainstorming. Well, it's red, you can eat it, it's good for you, it's fruit, it grows. But then the teacher may ask about the descriptors or qualities of the apple, and the students will learn to use a bubble map to cluster their ideas together. So the apple is juicy, red, round, smooth, and hard. How does an apple compare to another fruit such as a banana? So this is the thinking process of comparison and contrast. Well, both can be eaten, they're healthy for you, they can be bruised, but an apple is red, it's round, whereas a banana is yellow, long, and has a heavy peel. How would you categorize or classify an apple? Students learn to use a tree map for this thinking process, such as apples are a type of fruit, and fruit is a type of produce. And then there are other members in the category of fruit. Of course, to understand an apple, students would want to use their part-whole reasoning. We introduce the brace map as the thinking map that enables them to really look at the object and its subparts. For example, the apple has a skin, the flesh, the core, down to the seeds. Another essential question and a linked cognitive process is the sequence. Students learn to use a flow map to show the cycle of growth of an apple from seed to tree to fruit. But sequencing should not be confused with another process and question. What are the causes and effects? For example, when we say an apple a day keeps the doctor away, we are really thinking about the causes and effects for good health. Students learn to use the multi-flow map to show what causes influence good health and the multiple effects. So the last map for this example is based on the thinking process of seeing analogies. The bridge map really helps students to see that an apple represents good health, just as a light bulb represents creative thinking. Well, so it is with the 8 thinking maps. Together, they're used by students for creative thinking as well as analytic thinking and concept development within and across every content area, and really for lifelong learning.